As I commit to developing my abilities, this process becomes faster and more powerful. It moves forward with growing momentum, uninterrupted day and night. It will continue for decades, for 100 years and beyond, throughout the entire future of my life, as far as I can envision. Right now, I take full command of the strengthening process. My nervous system grows more resilient through my conscious action. Every second brings a surge of youthful energy into the brain and spinal cord, expanding their inner reserves. With every heartbeat, the system becomes steadier, stronger, more capable. This growth proceeds constantly and deliberately. During the day, the nervous system will become even more resilient than it was in the morning. And by tomorrow morning, it will become even more resilient than it was today, and this process will be going day after day without pause. The brain and spinal cord will continue expanding their energy reserves. With every moment, the resilience of the entire nervous system will rise. This strengthening will continue day and night for decades and more, for 100 years and more throughout the full span of life I can possibly imagine. The entire body gathers its full strength, tapping into boundless reserves to fortify the nervous system. Each nerve cell in the brain and spinal cord intensifies energy accumulation. Second by second, moment by moment, the system becomes more resilient. My nerves grow firm and steady. The brain and spinal cord take greater command over every process in the body. I imagine it in vivid detail. The brain and spinal cord increasingly refine their control over the body. Each nerve cell is growing its inner reserves. All across the central nervous system, this buildup continues. Every moment brings a stronger, more stable structure. My nerves are solidifying. I am evolving into a more resilient and balanced human being. I can feel my nerves gaining strength and clarity. All nerves and muscles throughout the body settle into deeper calm and control. Physical effort no longer disrupts this state. The body stays composed, strong, and resilient. My nervous system reinforces itself steadily. Calm spreads through every nerve and muscle in the body. Even under pressure, the body holds its balance healthy, unshaken, and at ease. I clearly envision what this means. The reservoir of calm strength within every nerve and muscle continues to grow. Second by second, moment by moment, it expands. Even under prolonged physical effort, the entire system stays balanced and composed. I remain completely calm, like the smooth surface of a still lake. I focus on understanding this fully. Even while holding a heavy weight at arm's length for a long time, I remain completely calm like the stillness of a quiet lake. Every nerve and muscle in my body stays steady, relaxed, and unwavering. At the same time, all nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord are rapidly increasing their stores of energy. Youth-charged power fills them continuously. One by one, each cell draws in new vitality. The entire structure rises in strength and capacity. Within the brain and spinal cord, all vessels stay wide open, completely and without interruption. blood moves through them freely and constantly. This youthful, healthy blood flushes through every pathway, restoring and fueling every nerve cell with full nourishment. The blood constantly renews the brain and spinal cord, revitalizing each nerve cell. With every cycle, their control over the body becomes stronger, more accurate, more refined. The brain and spinal cord shield the entire system from all harmful external influences and disruptions. The body functions freely and effortlessly under their steady protection. Energy within the brain and spinal cord builds steadily, without pause. Their influence over the body becomes clearer and more precise. I focus on understanding this deeply. My every young vital blood moves swiftly through every vessel, washing and nourishing each nerve cell along the way. This living stream of blood keeps renewing the brain and spinal cord, bringing back their initial freshness and charging them with more and more youthful energy. And because of this, even after a full day of focused, productive work, I feel fresh, strong, and energized, as if I hadn't worked at all, but had spent the whole day resting and building strength.